Though we are not going to continue VBA for long, but still I am uh, still there could be situations where you need to take help from macro recording. And as this macro recording is mostly happening in Visual Basic for applications, then you might need to understand it a bit more. Okay, so here I will give you few tips for recording macro. You see that we have only recorded few steps, no bunch of the steps, no lot of clicks, and no lot of keyboard actions. These macro tips will help you in certain situations. For example, you are working on a program and then you are not able to find out the exact API method to use, or you are not able to figure it out from API help. In in certain situations like this, recording a macro might help you. I won't say that guaranteed it will help you. It might help in such some of such cases. Okay, so let's see what are the recording tips and how and when you can use it uh, for your requirement. First of all, you must use the macro recorder as a tool for building larger applications from small applications. Like as we did here, record few steps at a time. Mainly, recordings can be placed into the single routine. So here actually, this is sub main and this is end sub. This is a single routine. So similarly, you can have several routines or methods in between, but it is advised to only record the small piece of junk at a time. You also need to plan some steps before recording a macro, because if you are recording it unplanned, the steps may be no, maybe more. So you don't do that. Always plan the steps before you record. Also limit the number of view changes you make, because view changes like this trimetric, this view to fit, this clear section, these are actually unnecessary or unwanted code. We can even go and remove this unwanted code. So try to minimize or try to limit the view changes into your code, into your recording, I mean. All view changes get added to the recorded macro, and that makes your code lengthy. Opt for multiple recordings instead of single recording. If you need to change views while recording, remove extraneous code entries after recording is completed. So you see that if there is any named view, activate view, zoom to fit kind of things, you if you want to do that, then do that. But then you see that you clear off unnecessary such lines into your code once you do that. Okay, and of course this clear selection line, clear selection to true, clear selection to true, this is actually unwanted unnecessary line. So this call is actually uh, there mostly after select by id call. So select by id call is here, and then we see there this clear selection is there. So this is mainly is recorded after the select id. So you need to create you need to remove this actually. So this is a lot of times you can see this, and you can also remove this once your code is ready. Now, after this tip, let me quickly remove some of the lines from here. As this VBA uses this symbol for commenting the code, I will use this here, 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 uh, yeah, and here as well. Okay, that's it. So these are the lines which are unnecessary, unwanted kind of lines. I can go and save this macro. Okay, and then I can also go to file and close and return to SolidWorks from here. Okay, then I can go to a new part, and then from here I can go and play this once again.